is up, guys? We are here in Florida for the GTR World Cup, and when we left Nebraska, it was like 10 to 12 degrees. But the weather in Florida is pretty nice. But anyways, we're out here, like I said, for the GTR World Cup. And the GTR World Cup is where some of the baddest GTRs out there come out and compete to see who's top dog.
We got Giddy, we got T1 Race, Tony Palo.
Ton of crazy fast GTRs, so it's gonna be a wild day. A wild hipster just came out of the ocean. Man, I don't really know what shirt I want to wear to this event today. What do you guys think?
Well, Christian, between the two hot new releases, the choice is really camo or Mexico.
Well, we gotta work today, so we should probably just wear our film crew stuff.
Oh, that's right.
Alright, so we are pulling up to a gas station.
You mother... This is Wawa. This is not just a gas station.
Yeah, it's not a gas station.
Christian's never been to Wawa, so he has no idea what the hell he's about to do.
No. He's gonna learn.
How dare you call it a gas station?
Yeah, I don't know why I would do that. Oh
yeah.
Boy.
Yeah, this is a good one.
This color. I like the color a lot.
Yeah, me too.
That is awesome. Oh boy. Yes, please. Look, that interior color is awesome. You see the steering wheel? Wood grain. Yeah, that's cool.
Classy.
Wawa.
This guy's letting us go.
Oh, me.
Okay, why would it be this packed if it wasn't fantastic?
I don't know, maybe because we're in Florida in a very populated area.
We'll see. See this?
This is how the Wawa works.
You don't even understand what's about to happen, do you?
I think you're gonna order food. I think that's what's gonna happen. Hey man, what was your name?
Matt.
Matt. I'm Christian.
What's up, Christian?
You wanna say hey to the vlog?
What's up, guys?
194? Yep. Thanks, man. Me.
What'd you do?
Railed my shin on that. Alright, about to take my first bite of Wawa.
Oh, how was that Wawa?
Pretty A1, actually.
Perfect.
Wawa is no longer just a gas station in my eyes.
Yay! Woohoo!
Ooh, sandy. Alright, we have to goon out.
What? What is
gotta-
up with you and Suicide
You gotta
Boys?
goon out to Suicide Boys.
Fred, are you
love those
approving?
guys.
It's what the people want.
It's what you want. All right, but
Read the comments,
Yeah, the
Fred.
people.
Read the comments.
Read the comments.
People are pretty hyped on Suicide Boys starting that vlog.
Exactly. So we have to do it for the people.
I'm just saying.
Come
I
on.
hate both of you.
Come on. All right, Fred. I'm gonna blur your face if you keep this up.
Is there a certain
you're
song?
not.
Blurred.
You know.
Oh, it's dollar signs.
Yeah.
Oh, they're classy.
This shuffle play.
All of you, 2018.
Ooh.
Like this sick.
Hey. All right, Fred. As is tradition.
We do this on every trip. We have to tag our rental. So this color is actually really close to the paint.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's that nice,
nice.
metallic gray.
Nice.
On that metallic gray.
Yeah.
Kind of,
Look at that color match.
Ooh. Boy. Oh my God. This wide body looks crazy. This car is nuts. Tony's car in person is amazing. I think there's a lot of things that people don't realize on our videos, but like, that's carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. And then he also added this wide body, put some meats under there, and it just looks so good. And like we said earlier, there's a ton of other big name GTRs here, so I'm really pumped to see those guys too. Look at that. Top Speed Motorsports, looking A1. So on top of all these crazy R35s, there's an R33 here, which I'll show you guys later when I find it. But check this out. Ooh. Oh my God.
But I mean, I drove it on the street for a couple.
God, this thing is, an R34 in person is more of a treat than I even thought. Holy crap. So this blue color is my favorite on the R34s, but these wheels too, they're a really deep blue, and then they got the gold lugs as well. But that blue on this blue, it's more of it's like a purple blue, like a blurple. But that with that blue looks so good. This car is super well done. Every piece under the hood just looks A1. All these little rivets and everything. Okay, so these guys also have a Monster R35, and this is just a street car. Right now it's putting about 750 to the wheels, and on kill mode it made over 1,000 to the tire. And Fred told me for a little treat later, they might take us on a ride along, so that would be wild. So a little fun fact on this orange car here is that it made 1320 wheel horsepower exactly.
All right, so Christian's not happy with me right now. Two of the GTR owners actually have other cars here. They're street cars. They're gonna let us ride in for a little ride along. There's an R34 GTR. It makes like 1,000, but he's still not excited about it because I'm
excited about it. I'm pumped.
But I get to ride in this thing. See ya, man. All right, so how much power is this? Somewhere around 1,200 maybe. That pulls pretty good. That pulls,
you know, street tires, it's not radials or anything like that.
that pulls really good. It literally put my head back.
Yeah, it's a fun car, really. You know, it does pretty well. It's got a big motor, so the turbos come up fast. It's pretty smooth power delivery.
They do work really well. I don't think you can really get anything better than a twin turbo Lamborghini on the street. The sound that they make, it does not suck. It definitely does not suck. Thank you for the ride, man. My pleasure.
Hey there, brother. You know what? This ain't a GTR. We're going to have to turn you back the other way, sir. I'm sorry.
I will ruin your day.
All right. Well, you know what? Yeah, keep going. I don't want to hold this line up there.
Dude, it sucked. It totally sucked. Don't even worry about it. It sucked. Like, you wouldn't even want to be in it anyway. Christian, come back. Christian, come back.
Oh man, you know what else sucks? Do you see your face right now? What? Do you see it? Blurred.
All right, we've talked to a few of these cars, and a few of these stock location cars are above 2,000 horsepower. Stock location record right now is 749. I'm gonna guess. Here's my guess for the weekend. One, the big boy record's gonna get broken.
You think so?
I think it might. Big boy record's gonna get broken. Other prediction: the stock location record's gonna get broken twice this weekend. That's my prediction. Twice.
You are bold.
Bold statement.
That's a bold move.
Strong. It's a power move. It's gonna happen though. Mark my words.
The only thing I disagree with, I think the stock location records can get broken one time.
Just one?
Not to help that much. What about the
He's wrong. He's wrong.
All right, we're gonna watch some big boy cars take some test passes real quick. Something that's way different in person than it is in our videos is these cars are ridiculously loud. Like those backfires, you feel it through your entire body. I have no idea how Fred does this without earplugs.
These your dogs?
Golden Retrievers. Just a couple of dogs that really love race cars. All right guys, we're about to go on a ride along in this R34 GTR right now. So this has been dynoed at over 1,000.
1162.
1162, and it's like 750 right now, is what I heard.
Yeah, it's about 750, 800 horse, right between there.
Okay, cool. I'm sure you see that a lot in this car, just cameras everywhere.
Yeah, when I drive down the cities, because we're, you know, top Wisconsin, we'll go down to the cities like Minneapolis and stuff. And when we go down there and we hit certain street lights, the people literally come out and block me while I'm at a light.
That's crazy.
And as you can see, I mean, we've built pretty much everything around the car, so it doesn't get squirrely on you.
No, it's super direct. It hooks. It doesn't feel sketchy. was insane. Hey, thanks again, man. I really appreciate it.
Very nice meeting you, brother.
Yeah, you too. That was insane. A car that I've been drooling over since I was like 5 years old. Finally get to ride in one. 750 horsepower is like, I feel like that's such a sweet spot on that car, and that was dream come true. It could have not gone any better. They say don't meet your heroes because they won't be as great as you thought, but that definitely lived up to exactly what I thought it was gonna be. So we just went for a ride along in this blue R34. There's also a clean black R33 here. Well, on top of those cars, another R33, another R34, and another R34. Oh my God, that's fast and it's loud. Look at Woody, hard at work. Oh my God, there's so many R35s. All right, we are now into single eliminations and there's a lot more people on the track and things are getting a little intense now. So I just started the GoPros in that car behind me and it just broke the world record for the stock turbo manifold. They're in a really low 8 and they're gonna try to break into the 7s right now, so we're gonna see what happens. Alright, unfortunately they did not get into the 7s, but they did break the record again, and the other guy red lit, so they're still in it. This car is insane. This GTR here in the left lane may just break into the 7s on the stock turbo manifold. And this is the same GTR from earlier that just broke the world record. Oh my God. Come on, what are you gonna do?
Embarrass you in front of your mother.
Come on, we're gonna embarrass you in front of your bitch.
Jesus. Can't really go on the vlog now.
Oh.
Go, 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 go. Hey, no way are you floating.
You're not pinned right now.
Wow, that was lame. We should have launched hard. Look at that. Look at that strong.
Wow. Feels like a
We have sport
like an
mode.
EcoBoost
We
Mustang.
have sport mode, bro. Oh, I didn't even know.
Alright, that is gonna be it for today. It was a super wild day, lots of crazy GTRs, lots of crazy passes. World record was broken today, and hopefully the real big world record is broken tomorrow by Tony Palo.
Giddy has a chance as well.
True, Giddy does have a chance of breaking the record as well.
What are we doing? Can you start over?
I told Fred that I was in the vlog, and he went into Wawa.
Oh, well, we gotta start over now.
No. Hey, at least your face isn't blurred right now, right? Alright, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
What are we talking about? I don't understand.
I'm telling them bye.
Peace out, fans. We're on to Wawa.
Good morning to you and you and you and you. I'm sorry.
We are at Palm Beach Raceway today for the GTR World Cup.
Hopefully we see some records get broken today. So as some races were getting done, it started sprinkling a little bit, so now we're just kind of waiting that out a little bit and then we'll get back to some racing. And it started sprinkling and Fred started crying. It was really weird. I said when it started sprinkling, Fred started crying and it was just really weird.
I do. I cry when the race cars can't run.
I'm impressed that you like made that not look bad on you. So one of the T1 cars just broke the stock turbo location record. What'd they run again?
It's a 740. It's the fastest stock location GTR in the world. Like
God.
the other fastest one was Alpha Omega 3 years ago with a 748. He just destroyed it with a 748.
That's insane.
Yeah.
That is awesome. This car is a monster, and this raw carbon just looks super duper cool. Definitely be on the lookout for that video later because it's gonna be a good one. Wow! So after we got Fred to stop crying, the rain died down a little bit and some cars made some passes. Giddy had a really nice pass. Unfortunately for Tony, his car got a little squirrely on him, but overall it was a good day. The day ended about an hour early, so now we are headed back to the hotel to get ready for the award. What is it called?
Party! It's a party! We're getting ready to get shitty with all the crazy GTR guys. So, well, also award ceremony / open bar.
I was gonna say award ceremony and you attacked me. All right, we just made it to the hotel for the after party, so we will see you inside because we got to unload some stuff quick. Yeah.
Your finger literally just slid down my tongue.
All right, guys, we just got done with the award banquet, and that was a little too fancy for me, but
I felt out of place.
Second we walked in the hotel.
Yeah, the chandeliers are worth more than what we get paid. So,
yeah.
So there you go.
This whole place is nuts, and the event itself is super crazy. And if you love GTRs,
This is the place to be. If you love GTRs, we saw R32, 3, 4, and over 100 R35s.
they're all there.
This is the place to be. Literally, some of the world's fastest GTRs are at this event. So if you're into GTRs, this is where you need to be.
For sure, it's pretty crazy, and all the people that are at the event are super awesome, super cool to talk to. I met a lot of great people. Super pumped to come back next year.
All right, that's gonna do it here for us at West Palm Beach. Keep tuned in the vlogs. We got a lot of new unicorn stuff coming. I know you guys have been waiting for that, so stay tuned.
See you in the next one.